pigs make me sneeze. Gerald, what do you want to do today? Yes. What? A bowl, a swim, a hat, Choo! Are you okay? I do not know. Achoo! I can stop achoo! Sneezing. Oh no! What if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo! What if you try to sneeze more softly? Sorry, but if pigs do make me sneeze, then I can't be near you. Then we can't be friends. Then we must be apart forever. But Gerald, no, don't speak. It's too late. Choo. Goodbye, Gerald. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I'm not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze. And Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! Wait, now cats make me sneeze too. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you had a cold. A cold? You are sick. I am sick. Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggy, good news. I have a cold. Good for you. The end.